Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to resolve the package not resolved issue. So I am getting this error message. I'll show you how I am getting. So I have downloaded this WordPress theme and I'll try to upload it. When I click on install now, after selecting the theme, it will show the error. So it is taking a bit time because of certain issues with the theme. So there are some rectification which we need to do to resolve this package not installed issue, which I will show you in this video. So here this is the error which I am talking about. The package could not be installed, and this is the error message. This is very frustrating for me and I just want to resolve it. So how we will do it, just this is the file. I'll just extract it here and I go inside this folder. This file I will try to upload inside the folder. Now let's do it once again. Now try to upload this file inside the theme. This file, click on install now. At present I have normal theme, so I'll change it and show you how it works. Now it's showing theme installed successfully. So the issue is resolved now. So I can simply activate it. So I'll refresh this page. So see, theme is changed. So it is a very good option which you can try out, and if there is any problem, just comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.